If, like you think that the original strap from Sony Alpha camera is not that great, you will probably want to remove that part. So how I do it, the first thing you have to do is to remove that plastic things, and then you're gonna arrive to the metal one and you will realize that it is really hard to remove. So the best way I found to remove it was with long nose plier. You insert the underneath part into the triangle and as close as possible to the ring, so you can take it on as fast as possible, and then you just roll it out and you're done. If you want great strap, see in the description, I will link some of my favorites one. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!